Following up on the layoffs at Kahi Mohala, now that the Queen's Health System is finally acquiring the psych hospital, many Kahi Mohala employees will lose their jobs at the end of June.
Kristen Concilio reports why the stakes are high for many more in the community.
Dozens of adults with mental illness have already been transferred out of Kahi Mohala in anticipation of the sale to Queen's Health System. In a letter on Wednesday, Sutter Health told employees in preparation for this transfer, forensic services will no longer be offered.
And it really breaks my heart that the adults already seem to be criminalized for mental health, for their mental illness, but now, as far as getting inpatient care, inpatient services, those resources are going to be very limited now.
And that means dozens of employees on the forensic services team will soon be out of jobs, including one we spoke with who wanted to remain anonymous in fear of retaliation.
Mental health is really important, and it's in the community that I come from. It's something that people don't talk about.
The employee told Island News that about half of the couple hundred workers at Kahi Mohala will be let go. The Hawaii Teamsters Union says it has 80 members working at the facility, but not all of them will be affected. There are also about 50 nurses with the Hawaii Nurses Association.
So it is a big blow, even for only 23 nurses, for them to be let go.
The changes come as the state grapples with how to meet the needs of a growing mental health crisis, with already limited services and providers.
Our state is not doing enough to address this issue, especially in that side of the community. Having only one facility, Kahi Mohala, doing these specialized services is already a big problem. And cutting that in half will only exacerbate the existing issues around mental health.
It's a problem that's affecting the entire community.
Everyone who has a family member who struggles with mental illness, it has some sort of effect on them. So it's a community issue, right? And the more resources that we take away, the more things that we take away for help, the worse the problem is going to get.
The sale is expected to be completed by the end of the year. Kristen Concilio, Island News.